Have you ever wondered why all planets are round? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries, from ancient astronomers to modern scientists. The answer lies in a fundamental force of nature: gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that draws everything in the universe towards each other. From the smallest atom to the largest star, everything feels the pull of gravity. This force is what keeps planets in orbit around stars and moons in orbit around planets. Gravity doesn't just make things fall down, it plays a crucial role in shaping the universe. Imagine gravity as a sculptor, constantly molding and shaping the cosmos. One of its most impressive feats is shaping planets into spheres. This happens because gravity pulls equally in all directions from the center of a massive object. Over time, this equal pull smooths out any irregularities, creating a round shape. However, not everything in space is a perfect sphere. Irregularly shaped asteroids and comets are examples of objects that haven't accumulated enough mass for gravity to shape them into spheres. Planets, on the other hand, have enough mass for gravity to overcome other forces, resulting in their spherical shape. This spherical shape is not always perfect due to factors like rotation, which can cause planets to bulge at the equator. So, while gravity pulls everything towards the center, other forces and factors can influence the final shape, making the cosmic dance of gravity even more fascinating. The answer lies in the intricate interplay between gravity and other forces that shape our world and beyond. While gravity is a powerful force, it's not the only one at play. Other forces, such as electromagnetic forces and nuclear forces, also contribute to the dynamics of planetary formation and evolution. Inside planets, heat and pressure generated from radioactive decay and residual formation heat push outwards, counteracting gravity's inward pull. This internal heat drives geological activity, including volcanic eruptions and tectonic movements. This creates a delicate balance, a dynamic equilibrium that maintains the planet's structure and surface features. On Earth, this balance is responsible for the formation of mountains, valleys, and continents. The Earth's crust is constantly being reshaped by these forces, leading to the ever-changing landscape we see today. Tectonic plates, driven by the Earth's internal heat, collide and push against each other, creating mountains. These massive slabs of rock float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere, moving slowly but powerfully over geological timescales. Erosion, driven by wind and water, carves out valleys and canyons. This process, although slow, is relentless, gradually wearing down mountains and shaping the landscape. But even with these forces shaping the Earth's surface, the overall effect of gravity is to pull everything towards the center, resulting in a shape that is nearly spherical. This spherical shape minimizes potential energy, creating a stable form for the planet. Over millions of years, gravity smooths out any large-scale irregularities, like giant mountains or deep depressions. This gradual process ensures that the planet remains in a state of equilibrium, constantly evolving, but always striving for balance. However, not all objects in space are round. While we often think of celestial bodies as being spherical, this isn't always the case. Asteroids, for example, are often irregularly shaped. These space rocks come in a variety of forms, from elongated to lumpy, and everything in between. Why is that? The key is mass, and therefore gravitational pull. The amount of mass an object has directly influences its gravitational force. Asteroids are much smaller than planets, and therefore have much weaker gravity. This weaker gravitational pull means they can't shape themselves into a sphere. Their gravity is simply not strong enough to overcome the inherent strength of the materials they're made of. The rocky and metallic components resist the pull of gravity. Think of it like trying to mold a lump of clay with a weak magnet. The magnet's force is too feeble to shape the clay into a smooth, round form. The magnet might attract some of the clay, but it won't be strong enough to change the overall shape of the lump. Similarly, an asteroid's gravity can't reshape its rugged form. Planets, on the other hand, have enough mass and therefore gravity to overcome the strength of their materials. This significant gravitational force pulls everything towards the center. Over time, gravity pulls everything towards the center, smoothing out any irregularities and resulting in a spherical shape. This process, known as hydrostatic equilibrium, is why planets are round. Section 4. Our solar system, a symphony of spheres. The evidence of gravity's shaping power is all around us in our solar system. From the smallest rocky planets like Mercury to the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, every planet is a testament to gravity's influence. Even our own Earth, with its towering mountains and deep ocean trenches, is remarkably close to a perfect sphere when viewed from space. The moon too, despite its heavily cratered surface, owes its overall round shape to gravity. Section 5, Beyond Our Neighborhood, the universality of gravity, and it's not just our solar system. Astronomers have observed countless stars and planets throughout the universe, and the vast majority of them are also spherical. This tells us that gravity is not just a local phenomenon, but a fundamental force that governs the entire universe. Whether we're talking about planets, stars, or even black holes, gravity is the force that shapes and molds these celestial objects, giving them their characteristic round shapes. Section 6. Join the exploration unraveling the cosmos. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and see the moon shining brightly, remember that its round shape is a testament to the invisible force of gravity, a force that has been shaping the universe since the beginning of time. Want to explore more mysteries of space? Subscribe now and join the cosmic journey.